Okay, so let's take a look at how you can connect the Outlook with Trello board, and for that we will make use of Zapier app, right? So within Zapier dashboard, you will have to check the app section, and within the app section, you can see that you have a bunch of apps, namely, let's say Trello, right? Also the Outlook, right? You can simply add them by typing in the name of the app. It should appear, then click on connect, then you will have to log in and then give authorization. I have already done that process, so it appears here with one such detail, right? Now I can go back to dashboard, and here I will type in one of the instruction saying when Outlook email comes in, update the Trello board, right, with new entry. Right now, let's generate this particular zap. You can also use manually with this create zap. Now here, update Trello board with new Outlook emails. Now let's try this. It will just take 2 steps, so there wouldn't be much of issue even for free account, right? So first thing would be authenticating your account and then going to continue. Now the trigger, so we'll just have to give it the inbox. Then test your first step or one of the Microsoft Outlooks new email. Once you test the trigger, next thing is basically getting your email, continuing that. And now here the problem is you'll have to also uh, take a look at the Trello board, right? So I have automate name board, and it has one of the Zapier, right? So board, it needs cards which are basically coming from our Outlook email, right? So I will choose board, which is automate. Then I will choose list, right, to do. Or if you want, you can always choose another one known as Zapier, right? Now here within the name part, I will add sender's name, right? Okay, so sender's email address, I will add it, right? Then nothing else is required field, so I will just update it with sender's name, and I will continue this particular part. Now comes the part where I'll have to test this particular step, right? So if I choose to update this step, I will just push for publish. Now once I publish this, it should create at least one entry within one of that board, right? So I will see if that card appears. So here you see Zapier added that particular email address sender to that board. So this was example. If you want to add entire email contents, or let's say any email updates, you can always check that by establishing such connection, right? So you get the idea how to connect your Trello board with Outlook and establish this automation with the help of Zapier app.